If self-doubt, fear of failure, or emotional burnout has been holding you back, it's time to stop fighting battles alone and start building real momentum toward your purpose. The Coaching for Someone Who digital coaching program is a complete 13-module on-the-go transformation experience designed to meet you exactly where you are and get you moving forward fast. Whether you're battling financial stress, career uncertainty, low confidence, communication challenges, or toxic relationship patterns, this program gives you the tools to finally push through and create the change you deserve. What's inside? 13 targeted coaching modules, PDF plus MP3 audio, over 60 laser-focused topics to cover every barrier standing in your way, real exercises and tools you can use immediately to create results, personalized coaching roadmap with the Coaching Module Finder, and lifetime access to all modules so you can revisit anytime you need a boost. You'll master building a financial resilience mindset, overcoming fear, self-sabotage, and procrastination, public speaking and leadership confidence, emotional intelligence and relationship boundaries, work-life balance and productivity, content creation, success without burnout, and so much more. Why this program works. This isn't theory. This is real-world personal coaching distilled into a system you can access anywhere, anytime, for less than the cost of a dinner out. Because ending the battle with self-doubt doesn't require magic. It requires the right coaching at the right time. Today, that time is now. Click the link in the description and start the journey that changes everything.